I'm going to be installing a new Qa1 tubular K-frame, upper and lower control arms, strut bars, and 1-inch torsion bars. The tubular K-frame is lighter and stronger than the factory K-frame. So I'll start by removing the brakes, upper and lower control arms, and get the K-frame out. What do you think, Trevor?
Just do it!
Qa1 suspension gripping the road, keeping the Cuda straight and restless. Holding tight that classic flow, feel the life relentless. Lightweight beast, corners tight, Wilwood brakes, stop on the dime. Muscle roar in the dead of the night, burning rubber feels sublime. Cuda roar out in the wild, untamed engine fury never mild. Free the spirit, let it ride, no holding back, let it slide. Toe in balance, caster in line, chrome shines bright under street lights. Rebel heart, racing time, freedom calls, we're taking flight. We're lighting up the darkened track, blazing trails, no looking back. Fury-driven engines might, hell's unleashed into the night. Cuda roar out in the wild, untamed engine fury never mild. Free the spirit, let it ride, no holding back, let it slide.
I had some clearance issues when I installed my new Myelodon Road Race oil pan. Unfortunately, I had to return here to make more clearance. I did that when I installed my 540. One-inch torsion bars, and there's a left side and the right side. I rebuilt my manual steering box. Hey, Trevor, why don't you tell the rest?
Sure. This is the lock nut to adjust your steering box in play. The bolt on top is for your fill port.
Thanks, Trevor. I replaced all my inner and outer tie rods. I had seen issues before with the center link hitting the Myelodon oil pan. This may have been on a 70 or 71 K-frame, which may be a bit different. I just have enough clearance. The manual steering has a new idler arm and pitman arm.
We're lighting up the darkened track, blazing trails, no looking back. Fury-driven engines might, hell's unleashed into the night. Cuda roar out in the wild, untamed engine fury never mild. Free the spirit, let it ride, no holding back, let it slide, 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 let it slide.
The Myelodon oil pan really helps with road clearance, and I can keep my 7 quarts capacity. Hey, Shannon, sing for us.